Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial series. What we'll be talking about today is humidity sensor using Arduino. So basically what this does is just to read the temperature and humidity of a particular area. Could be a room, could be a location, however you deem it fit to use it. So right now this is the basic connection already done. Code has been uploaded to it. So right now I'm just going to power it on. Alright, it's been powered on. So as you can see, so welcome to Good Tech. Now on the screen you can see humidity, temperature and all that. This is the current value right now of my working area. So I'm just going to try and incite the temperature a little, but this is so right now I'm just going to try and incite the temperature. As you can see, it is rising. This is a lighter, it's rising. So as you can see, temperature went far up and it's still rising, but after a while it's just going to drop back to the original temperature of the room. So the sensor picked up the excess heat I passed through using the lighter. So basically, to demonstrate this to you, this is the sensor. Right now I'm just going to try and remove one of the cables. I want power the sensor. So as you can see, the sensor has been disconnected. You can now see humidity not available, temperature not available. So basically I'm just going to connect it back. As you can see, now I connected the ground cable back, and now this temperature sensor is receiving power. Started reading. As you can see, temperature has dropped a little from what it was before. So basically this is just how you can get this done. This is an I2C or I2C LCD display. This is a regular LCD display. This is the I2C converter. As you can see, this is the humidity sensor. This is your Arduino Nano. I've done this tutorial before, but on that one I used just an LCD display, not using the I2C. So you can check that out if you are not having this I2C module to do the conversion. As you can see, the wires are less on this one compared to the other one where you need about 6 wires coming out of this LCD display. So this is just how it is done, and in the next phase I'm going to walk you through the connection phase by phase. So once the connection has been done by you, you can just upload the code I'll be leaving in the description of this video. So once you do it and it's working, you can drop a comment below, and if you have issues, also drop a comment below and I'll help you resolve it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share, and also hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get it. See you in the next video. So guys, this is the connection session. After the video you just watched, this is a breakdown of how the connection was done. Once the connection is successfully done, all you need to do is just upload the code and the system will start working immediately. So right now let's just go into the requirement. So the first thing we'll be requiring for this project is Arduino Uno. You can, even if you have Arduino Nano, it will still work. If you have Mega, it will still work. So it doesn't matter. We have a 16x2 IC2. This 16x2 I2C LCD display is where you get the output of whatever is happening with the temperature and humidity sensor. So the next one is our DHT11 humidity sensor. That is a major component in this session. So without wasting much time, let's go into the step-by-step connection. So right now, this is the ground connection of this LCD to the Arduino ground. So you can see here the ground has been connected to our Arduino ground. So now we'll move to the VCC. This is the VCC that has been connected right now to our VCC plus 5. Now we have our SD and SCL, serial data and serial clock. So SD has been connected to A4. This is the analog pin A4, and SCL connected to A5. This is it here. So on this session right now, as you can see, the connection for our LCD display to our Arduino is fully complete. Now what we need to do is to connect our temperature and humidity sensor to Arduino. And in doing that, if you look at this sensor right now, before we do the connection, let me explain. We have negative here, we have signal here. Now what this means is this is our ground, this is our VCC, this middle one is the VCC, then the one on the left is our signal input. So this signal input is where you connect to Arduino in order for the system to read the surrounding temperature and humidity. So right now, without wasting time, let's just do the connection. So the ground has been connected right now to ground. Here is a common ground in this connection. The same ground that is connected to this LCD display is also what is connected to this our humidity sensor. So right now, let's go to our VCC. Our VCC has been connected. So what we have left is signal input. So signal input has been connected and is to digital pin 2. Now if you look at what we have here, this is the key for the LCD display. Just in case you're confused about this, this is the key. This is the LCD section, this is the Arduino where each pin is connected to. So that is it for the connection. So once you've been able to do this connection of this hardware like this, either on a breadboard or you solder them on a Vero board, it doesn't really matter. But if you have to do this for the first time, you should always breadboard this. Breadboard these two, then do this connection using jumper wires. As you can see, all these are all wires. So jumper wires will do the same job for you. So right now, the next thing we have to do is to do the Arduino code upload. So this is the code we'll be needing for this project itself. So this is the code we'll be needing for this project right now. These are the 3 basic libraries we need for this project to work. We have our simple DHT.h, we have our wire library, we have our liquid crystal I2C.h. This is the library that is responsible for the LCD display. This one is responsible for the connection between the Arduino and the LCD interfacing, and this library is in control of the temperature and humidity sensor itself. Now here, let me just explain this. For DTH or DHT11, this is how you're meant to connect it. VCC is plus 5 volt or 3 volt, as the case may be. Doesn't really matter, ground to ground. Data, which is our S to pin 2. Now, the integer pin DHT11 is equal to 2.
Now, this line of code here sends simple DHT11. This is what reference this very hardware, which is our main humidity sensor. Then this line of code here reference the address which is needed for you to be able to display any form of character or text on that LCD display. Now, this is the LCD address for me. Yours might be different. So if you are not able to get this right, there's a link to a code in the description where you can check your I2C 16 by 2 LCD address. But most times, this is the code. This is the default one for most LCD board. Depending on the manufacturer, it might be different. So you can check that if yours isn't displaying anything, it means that the right address for the LCD display is not correct. If every other thing seems to be okay. So basically, this is just the simple code that is meant to do everything. Now, like in this one, this is the side that is responsible for initializing the backlight of the LCD display and printing. Now the LCD sets cursor 01. It means that it should start displaying from line 1 to line 2. So the display will start from line 1 to line 2. Basically, this code is just what you need. So all you need to do after doing the wiring, upload it and see it work. It's magic. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification button so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.